Okay, drawback number 2. You could get sued. Yes, this is a possibility. But what surprises most people is that the statistical likelihood of getting sued over a credit card debt is actually pretty minimal. At least with the clients I've worked with, I'm able to report that the litigation rate is less than 2%. Actually, for the past 2 or 3 years, the litigation rate with the people I've worked with has been less than 1%. So, do some people get sued? Yes, absolutely. But the reality is that the vast majority of people with past due credit card accounts do not get sued. Although some debt collectors would like you to believe that everyone is going to get sued because that's one of their more effective tools for coercing people into paying, the numbers just don't support it. Lawsuits take time and money, and it's just not economically feasible for credit card companies to sue everyone. That's why credit card companies do settlements for less than full balance. Because under the right circumstances, it's better for the credit card company to cut their losses and settle for less than full balance rather than waste a bunch of time and money suing someone that they might never collect from. So if you're trying to resolve excessive credit card debt through settlements rather than bankruptcy, it's important to understand that the possibility of getting sued absolutely does exist, but it's equally important to keep the risks in proper perspective. It's kind of like flying. Do planes crash from time to time? Yes, they do. And every time each of us gets on a plane, we do so with the understanding that things might not go so well. But even if you do have a slight apprehension about flying, you still do it anyway because it sure beats the alternatives of walking, driving, or taking a train. And down deep, you know that if you're flying a reputable airline, it's relatively safe, and the risk of a mishap is pretty small. Same thing applies to the debt settlement process. Just keep things in the proper perspective. If you found this video helpful, please check out the rest of the videos in this series at hoffmanbrinker.com/videos. See you there.